Owning or managing a hotel in Nigeria comes with a lot more responsibility than most people realize. From the moment guests walk in, there are dozens of operations happening at the same time: room bookings, guest records, laundry, restaurant and bar sales, store supplies, staff coordination, housekeeping, maintenance, accounting, daily reports. And somehow everything has to work together smoothly. But for many hotel owners, that's not always the reality. Some hotels still run almost everything manually: bookings written in notebooks, receipts stored in files, stock records tracked on paper, staff communication happening through phone calls and WhatsApp. And at the end of the day, management struggles to get a clear picture of what is really happening inside the business. Then there are hotels trying to go digital, but the experience becomes another problem entirely. One software for hotel reservations, another for restaurant sales, another for accounting, another for payroll, another for inventory. Different logins, different payments, different systems that barely communicate with each other. And over time, the hotel starts spending huge amounts of money every month just to maintain software subscriptions. Yet, despite all that spending, operations still feel stressful and disconnected. And for many hotel owners, the biggest question becomes, how do we actually run this business efficiently without making things more complicated? This is where Adman changes the story. Adman is not just another hotel software. It is a centralized administrative system designed to help hotels manage their entire operations from one place. A system built around how hotels actually operate in Nigeria. With Adman, your front desk, restaurant, laundry, store, accounting, staff management, housekeeping and reporting can all work together inside one unified platform. No more jumping between multiple tools, no more paying different companies every month for systems that only solve one small part of your problem. And no more relying completely on manual processes that slow down your business and increase mistakes. Everything becomes easier to monitor. You can track room occupancy in real time, monitor restaurant and bar sales, manage laundry requests, control store inventory, view financial records, supervise staff activities, generate reports instantly, and manage daily hotel operations with better structure and visibility. And the best part? Adman is designed to be deployed for your business, meaning your hotel gets a system tailored to your operations instead of forcing your business to adjust to rigid foreign software. You stay in control, your data stays with you, and your system can grow as your hotel expands. Whether you manage a small hotel, a luxury apartment, a guest house, or multiple branches, Adman can scale with your business needs. So whether you are tired of paying for too many software tools, still running operations manually, or simply searching for a smarter and more organized way to manage your hotel business, Adman gives you one powerful solution to bring everything together. One platform, better coordination, lower operational stress, smarter hotel management. Adman, built to simplify hotel operations, built for efficiency, built for growth.